Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yumna Almas Elsavianto from the Digital Business Study Program Class of 2022, Faculty of Business, Law and Social Science, Muhammadiyah University of Sidoarjo. I will discuss a scientific article that I have written with the title Sentiment Analysis of Shopee Pay Application Review using the knife-based algorithm. What I will discuss is the abstract, introduction, research methods, result and discussion, and conclusions. Information technology or IT has no development into a very broad and complex field covering various aspects related to processing, storing, and dissemination information. Information technology has become an integral part of everyday life. An example of a very popular information technology application is Shopee Pay. The Shopee Pay application is a digital wallet application that offers easy solution for all financial needs, including daily transaction, money transfer, and curious payments. Sentiment analysis is the process of using natural language processing or NLP technology to analyze emotion from a text. This research carried out sentiment analysis on review of the Shopee Pay application using the knife-based algorithm. The aim of the research is to classify comment data using the Shopee Pay application into positive and negative comment by studying user opinions about the Shopee Pay application to review provided by user, and to find out the performance of the classification method used. This research used dataset taken from review of the Shopee Pay application on the Shopee Pay application by means of web scraping. The results of research using the knife-based classifier were proven to be able to produce quite good performance with accuracy results of 83%. Information technology or IT has developed rapidly and has become an integral part of everyday life. One example of an IT application that is very popular in Indonesia is Shopee Pay. Shopee Pay is a digital wallet application that allows users to make money transfer, payment, and top up balance easily and safely. The pay later feature offered by Shopee Pay also makes it easy for users to shop in installments without a credit card. In recent years, Shopee Pay has become one of the most used digital wallet applications in Indonesia with millions of active users every month. Sentiment analysis is the process of using natural language processing (NLP) technology to analyze a person's opinions, attitudes, or emotions in text. In this research, sentiment analysis was carried out on Shopee Pay using the knife-based method. The method used probability and statistics to predict future opportunities based on previous experience. By using this method, this research can determine whether user opinions about Shopee Pay are positive or negative. The data used in the research was taken from review on the Shopee Pay application on the Play Store via web scraping. It is hoped that the results of this sentiment analysis can help companies improve the quality of Shopee Pay service based on user feedback. This research used dataset of review from the Shopee Pay application on Google Play Store. The dataset is divided into two classes, namely positive and negative posts. The research things are shown in Figure 1. Next, web scraping was carried out the dataset from review of the SOPP application. After that, labeling is carried out to determine positive and negative classes. The next step is data understanding to study and see the quality of the data that will be used. Then pre-processing is carried out to clean the raw dataset. Pre-processing text is the initial step in data processing and developing machine learning models. Several steps in text pre-processing include scaffolding, normalizing, stop word removal, tokenizing, and stemming. After that, text visualization was carried out using word cloud and bar chart techniques. The next stage is data preparation, which includes cleaning and formatting the data so that it matches to required format. After that, modeling is carried out as a computation representation of the observation results. Evaluation was carried out on the Naive-Bayes classifier algorithm to determine the performance and accuracy of the algorithm in classifying data. The Naive-Bayes classifier method was proven to work well in this research. This is proven by the result of the model evaluation, which received an accuracy score of 83% from 1,200 product review data, which was divided into 15% test data and 85% training data, and obtained the level of public sentiment toward the SOPP application with quite a lot of positive sentiment. This is proven by the recall and precision results, which are 84% and 89% for the positive class, while for the negative class the value are 80% and 72%. Suggestions from research for future research to be better are to increase the quantity or amount of review data and pay more attention to the pre-processing so that the accuracy of the result is better. That's all the presentation of the scientific article. I apologize if there are many mistakes in my words. I personally apologize profusely. That all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.